Nanindigan si United States President Donald Trump sa plano nitong pagbuwag sa International Criminal Court. Alamin natin ang mga detalye mula kay NJ de Guzman.
Hindi depensa para kay Pangulong Donald Trump ang layunin ng US sa plano nitong pagbuwag sa ICC. Ayon kay Trump, wala namang indikasyon na may balak ang korteng litisin siya.
By the way, there's no information that they're after me. It could happen. But just so you know, just you're talking about it, I'm saying that means that maybe he's not trying to defend me. He is trying to defend Bibi and various other people. But there are many people that shouldn't be looked at that way. But there is no indication that I'm one of them at this moment.
Ang mga komento ng Pangulo ukol sa kontrobersyal na korte ay habang nagsasagawa ng cabinet meeting sa Camp David. Doon, tinuligsan ni State Secretary Marco Rubio ang naturang hukuman.
The International Criminal Court is an illegitimate international organization that frankly, illegitimate. They've made themselves illegitimate because they claim that even if you're not a member of that court, they can come after you. What that literally means in the future is that American political leaders and others could find themselves under indictment by this International Criminal Court.
Ayon kay Rubio, may mga taong ICC na nag-aakalang basta-basta nilang makakasuhan ang sinumang world leader at kalat ka rin ang mga ito sa dahig.
So we tried to get them to reform and listen to us. They wouldn't do it. They're very arrogant. We've now begun an effort to really try to bring that court to heel.
Hindi miyembro ng ICC ang US. Magugunitang nagpataw ito ng mga paghihigpit sa 11 ICC judges at prosecutors bunsod ng pag-issue ng arrest warrants laban kay Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu at ex-Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, maging ang dating investigasyon sa US troops sa Afghanistan. NJ de Guzman, Washington DC, Net25 Americas, para sa Mata ng Agala International, trusted, connected, on point.